Hello, Bachabadi. This is Sufyan Sarved explaining you the concept of physics standard 9, chapter number 8, motion. And today we are going to start the new topic, that is the equation of position time relation. Clear? And this is the second equation of motion. If you had not seen the first equation of motion with the derivation, go in the playlist and watch the video. Clear? So first we had completed this topic, that the V equals to U plus AD. Clear? Now we are going to complete the next derivation of the S equals to UD plus half AD square. Clear? And this equation known as the equation of position time relation. Clear, bachawade? Now we know very well that the position means what? It's known as a displacement. Clear? Position is what? It's the displacement. And in the previous lecture we had discussed about that from the graph how we can find the displacement. Yes, bachawade, is the area that the particular object covered. Clear? So the object covered from A to B, the area between A and B is the displacement. So area is what? O A B C. Okay. So for finding the area of OABC, we are just dividing the area in two sections. One is the triangle and another is the rectangle to find the particular portion. Here, so displacement, or we can say that what here I can write displacement equals to what? Yes, area of O A B C, clear, is equals to area of triangle A B D plus area of rectangle O A D C. Clear, bachawade? Now, as we know that displacement can be indicated as the S, clear, equals to area of a triangle, and area of triangle is equals to half base into altitude. Clear? So it's the 1/2. Clear? Base means what? From here the base is AD. Clear? So AD multiply by altitude. Altitude means what? It's the BD. Clear? Plus area of rectangle. Area of rectangle means what? Length multiply breadth. So this is our area of rectangle and length is what? OA multiply breadth OT or OC. Yeah. Clear, bachawade? Now 1/2 AD means what? Yes, in the previous session we had also discussed that AD is parallel to what? OC. Clear? So OC is indicated with the T because it's a time graph. Clear? So AD, it stands for T multiply BD. So finding the BD means what? Total means BC minus DC. Here I had the previous also we had discussed that total BC equals to what? BD plus DC. BC equals to BD plus DC. Yeah. So we want to find the BD. BD equals to BC, and that plus is on this side, it will come minus DC. Clear? So we are writing it here that BC minus DC. Clear, bachawade? Now it's a plus, then OA. OA means what? OA is the U initial velocity multiply OC. OC means what? Is the time T. Clear? Now 1/2 T is as it is and BC minus BD. What is BC? BC, it's the final velocity minus BD. DC. DC means what? It's the initial velocity. Clear? Plus Q multiply, here we can write QT. Clear bacha? Now 1/2 as it is, T as it is. Now V minus U, I had already told you that remember that formula. If you don't remember, okay, no problem. Here, from here we can find it. Okay, so what we want, V minus U, here is a V. If we take this U plus U on this side, it becomes minus U equals to AT. Clear? So V minus U equals to AT. So we are writing 88 here plus UT equals to what? 1/2 A T multiply T, it's a T square plus UT. Okay, so from that we can write that S equals to UT plus 1/2 AT square. And I will tell you that the one amazing thing here, bacha party, that the unit of all the station is same. Okay, let's do it here. That the unit of SI unit of S means displacement is M. Clear? This is your information. Clear? Equal to the unit of velocity is meter per second and the unit of time is second plus 1/2 is the constant, so leave it over there. Acceleration, unit of acceleration is meter per second square and the unit of time is second and here is a square. Clear? So second square cancel, second cancel means what? Meter equal to meter plus meter means what? If we are finding the unit of any of the system, कोई भी चीज का अगर आपको कोई भी टर्म का यूनिट फाइंड करना है ना, तो इक्वल टू के बराबर होगा. आप इसका फाइंड कर लो तो भी वो ऐसा यूनिट सेम ही मिलेगा, इसका भी फाइंड करो तो भी वही मिलेगा, इसका भी फाइंड करो तो भी वही होगा. क्लियर? मींस इफ द यूनिट आर सेम ऑन दैट टाइम दैट कैन बी अ प्लस. यूनिट सेम होगा तो ही प्लस होगा. दैट कम्स इन द फर्दर in the 11th standard. Clear? Measurement of a unit MLT system. Clear? So this is the information for you. Clear? So no need to write this portion. Okay, take a screenshot or write in the note. Clear, bachawadi? Okay, bachawadi. So you have written this, and this is the word. This is the area of displacement we had find it. Clear? Area of the trapezium. Clear? So here we had divided this area into the triangle and the rectangle by watching this. Clear? Because we know very well that area of trapezium, how we can find from the graph we can say that it's the area of trapezium by looking that the both sides are parallel and it's a quadrilateral, and the another both sides are unequal. Clear? Two sides are parallel and to another both sides are unequal, so it can be the area of the trapezium. Clear? And we had to find this equation second. Clear? Equation of position versus time, and the last and the final equation in the last topic of our chapter, that circular motion. Clear? We will cover in the next lecture. Clear? So stay tuned with us, and we will also discuss the further sums of from these formulas. Clear? हम sums के ऊपर से हमने जो भी पूरे चैप्टर में ओवरव्यू क्या है, ग्राफ, even that the formula, equation of the motion, from that we are going to discuss the sums also. Till then, stay tuned with us, do whatever you want to do, man, but don't trouble your parents. Goodbye.